If Lightroom Classic is showing an unknown error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back to editing as fast as possible. This issue can happen for a few different reasons, including a damaged preference file, GPU problems, a catalog issue, cache corruption, or simply an outdated version of Lightroom. The good news is that most of the time, one of these fixes will solve it. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more Lightroom tutorials and quick fixes. Alright, let's start with the most effective solution first. The first thing you want to do is reset Lightroom preferences. To do that, close Lightroom completely. Then hold Alt and Shift on Windows while opening Lightroom Classic again. Keep holding those keys until you see the option to reset preferences. Click Reset Preferences and let Lightroom restart. This is often the best fix because it clears out any corrupted settings that may be causing the unknown error. If the issue is still there after that, move on to the next step. Restart your computer first because a simple restart can clear temporary system problems that are interfering with Lightroom. After your PC comes back on, right-click the Lightroom shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. Running Lightroom with admin rights can fix permission-related errors and help the app access files correctly. If Lightroom still gives you the same message, the next thing to check is your catalog. Instead of opening Lightroom normally, try opening the .lrcat file directly. If the catalog itself is the issue, this can help Lightroom launch properly and reconnect to your library without triggering the error. Now let's move on to a very common cause of Lightroom problems, and that is GPU acceleration. Open Lightroom, go to Edit, then Preferences, and click the Performance tab. Look for the option that says Use GPU and turn it off. After disabling it, restart Lightroom again. GPU issues can cause crashes, freezes, and unknown error messages, especially on systems with outdated graphics drivers or incompatible hardware. If that doesn't solve it, go back into Preferences and check the cache. In the Performance section, click Purge cache to clear out stored temporary data. Over time, cache files can become corrupted or overloaded, and clearing them can help Lightroom rebuild fresh data the next time it starts. Finally, make sure Lightroom itself is fully updated. Open the Creative Cloud app, check for available updates, and install the latest version of Lightroom Classic. Updates often include bug fixes and stability improvements that can directly resolve unknown error messages. Once the update is complete, launch Lightroom again and test it. In most cases, one of these steps will fix the problem and get Lightroom working normally again. If the error continues after trying everything here, the next step would be to check your plugins, reinstall Lightroom, or look for a catalog backup. But for most users, resetting preferences, disabling GPU, and updating Lightroom are the fastest fixes. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Lightroom troubleshooting tips, and leave a comment if you want help with another error.